Cancer loves acid. Cancer also loves no oxygen. The other thing cancer loves is sugar. So knowing those things, it makes a lot of sense to alkalize the tissues. And so when people come to us wanting help to conquer cancer, you see what we do? We suggest a diet that's highly alkalizing. We suggest ways to oxygenate the body, and we also greatly eliminate the glucose, the sugars going into the body.
In this video, we will expose the hidden cancer-killing foods Big Pharma does not want you to know about, as revealed by the expert insights of Dr. Barbara O'Neill. Get ready to discover the shocking truth about the everyday foods that possess the extraordinary ability to fight cancer and learn how to harness their potency to transform your health for good. Meet Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a naturopath who has dedicated her life to unlocking the secrets of the human body's incredible healing potential. Dr. Barbara O'Neill is also a devoted nutritionist and health educator with years of experience in uncovering the hidden secrets of self-healing. Her natural and practical approach has transformed countless lives, as evidenced by numerous testimonies from those who have benefited from her guidance. Inspired by her child's miraculous recovery from an illness, Barbara has dedicated her life to empowering others to take control of their health. With her unique blend of nursing expertise and natural wisdom, she is on a mission to expose the truth about the body's innate ability to heal itself and the powerful foods that can help make it happen. According to Dr. Barbara O'Neill, cancer cells thrive in an acidic environment, which means that the pH level of our body plays a major role in the development and progression of cancer. pH is a measure of how acidic or alkaline a substance is, ranging from 0 to 14 on a scale. A pH of 7 is considered neutral. However, when the body's pH drops below 7, it becomes too acidic, creating an ideal environment for cancer cells to grow and spread. On the other hand, an alkaline body, pH, which is normally above 7, creates an environment that is less favorable for cancer cells. This makes it more difficult for cancer cells to survive and multiply. Alkaline environments also support healthy cellular function, immune response, and overall well-being. So, without further ado, let's get into the list of foods that can fight cancer as recommended by Dr. Barbara O'Neill. First on Dr. O'Neill's list of cancer-fighting foods are grains, which include foods like millet, quinoa, amaranth, spelt, kamut, brown rice, and oats.
Is alkaline? We had millet this morning. It's a delicious grain, isn't it? I think we'll be having quinoa at another breakfast time. These are alkaline grains, but they're also gluten-free grains, so that's made them very popular.
These grains are rich in properties that can help prevent cancer and promote overall health. So, what makes these grains special? According to Dr. O'Neill, they are alkaline in nature, so maintaining an alkaline body pH creates an environment that is less hospitable for cancer cells to grow. In fact, according to the American Institute for Cancer Research and the World Cancer Research Fund, consuming at least 90 grams of whole grain per day can help you reduce your risk of cancer, especially colorectal cancer. But how is this possible, you ask? Well, the colon is where fiber works its magic. As fiber moves through the digestive system, it binds with harmful substances like carcinogens, effectively reducing their impact on the body. But that is not all. Fiber, particularly soluble fiber, plays an important role in preventing colorectal cancer. It functions as a prebiotic, nourishing the good bacteria in the gut and supporting a healthy balance of bacteria in the digestive system. This, in turn, boosts the immune system and reduces inflammation, creating an environment that is hostile to cancer cells. Another interesting thing about dietary fiber is that it is essential in maintaining stable blood sugar levels and preventing those dreaded sugar spikes. When you consume fiber-rich grains, your body takes longer to digest them, resulting in a slower release of glucose into the bloodstream. This helps to keep your blood sugar level steady and prevents the spikes that can feed cancer cells, since they depend heavily on glucose to thrive. According to Dr. Barbara O'Neill, these grains are also gluten-free. While gluten itself does not cause cancer, a gluten-free diet can help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation, if left unchecked, can contribute to the development of cancer. Persistent inflammation causes genetic problems, such as damage to the DNA and disruption of the normal functioning of cells.
Lima beans and lentils and soy are the three alkaline-forming legumes.
Dr. O'Neill stated that lima beans, soy, and lentils are the best 3 alkaline-forming legumes. They are not just delicious and versatile, but contain a truckload of nutrients and compounds that actively fight cancer cells. According to the American Institute of Cancer Research, eating legumes like lentils can lower your risk of developing cancer. So, what makes these legumes such effective cancer fighters? It all comes down to their unique composition of cancer-fighting compounds. Lima beans, for instance, are rich in a compound called protease inhibitors. These compounds are known for their ability to prevent the formation of cancer cells, particularly in the case of breast and colon cancer. Soybeans, on the other hand, possess anti-cancer properties that are attributed to their unique blend of nutrients and compounds, particularly isoflavones, which cleverly mimic estrogen in the body. By binding to estrogen receptors, isoflavones like genistein and daidzein may reduce the risk of hormone-sensitive cancers, such as breast cancer. Lentils are no less impressive. They are super rich in folate, a B vitamin that is important in the healthy division of cells. A folate deficiency has been linked with an increased risk of certain cancers, including colon and breast cancer. When these 3 foods are eaten together, they also provide our bodies with fiber, which we have learned helps to keep blood sugar levels stable and prevent cancer cells from thriving. Moreover, they also contain a compound known as saponins, which have been found to inhibit the growth of cancer cells, making them a potent weapon in the fight against cancer. And you know the best part? Eating legumes can also help prevent breast, prostate, colon, and even lung cancer in several ways. They can inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells, trigger cell death in cancer cells, prevent cancer cells from invading healthy tissues, regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, bind to carcinogens, and stop them from being absorbed into the bloodstream. And if you're enjoying this video so far, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening videos like this. Have you done that? Great. Now, let's continue.
The lemon is high in the alkaline minerals, which is sodium and potassium, calcium, magnesium and iron. These are the alkaline minerals, and the lemon is high in the alkaline minerals. Don't you love the lemon? Every home should have a lemon tree.
According to Dr. O'Neill, lemons are one of the foods with the richest content of alkaline minerals, which includes sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. Picture this. Your body is a well-oiled machine, and alkaline minerals are the gears that keep everything running smoothly. These minerals play an essential role in maintaining your body's pH balance, creating an environment that is less hospitable for cancer cells to thrive. And here is a fun fact. Lemons contain more potassium than even apples or grapes. This mineral is vital for maintaining healthy blood pressure and supporting heart health. But that is not all. Potassium also plays a role in regulating blood sugar levels, which we know is important for starving cancer cells of their primary fuel source, glucose. This is because adequate blood potassium levels can encourage the production of insulin, which is responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. Magnesium, another star player in lemons, helps to regulate the body's stress response. This is important because chronic stress can weaken the immune system, making us more vulnerable to diseases like cancer. The calcium in lemons is not just good for your bones, it also aids in the body's absorption of vitamin D, which has been linked with a lower risk of cancer. Here is how it works. Vitamin D helps in regulating cell growth. Imagine our cells have a life cycle, and vitamin D ensures they grow, mature, and die in a controlled manner. In cancer, this process is compromised, leading to uncontrolled cell growth. But vitamin D steps in, promoting healthy cell growth and differentiation, thereby reducing the chances of cells turning cancerous. Here is another fun fact. Our bodies can produce vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. But that is not all. Lemons are also known for their high antioxidant content, which includes limonene. This potent compound, found in abundance in the peel and juice, has been extensively researched for its remarkable cancer-fighting properties.
Substance is being called a disease. What's that? Cholesterol. So the ultraviolet rays from the sun hit the skin and convert a form of cholesterol just under the skin to vitamin D. And vitamin D is essential in the assimilation of calcium and the utilization of calcium in the body.
Limonene, which is a potent compound found in lemons, has been shown to prevent the spread of cancer cells, induce apoptosis, and even enhance the efficacy of conventional cancer treatments. Moreover, its antioxidant activity helps shield cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of various cancers, including colon, breast, lung, and stomach cancers. Next on Dr. O'Neill's list of alkaline cancer-fighting foods is nuts, and here is what she has to say about them.
The two nuts are your almond and Brazil, and all your seeds have an alkaline effect.
Nuts, such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, are not just delicious and satisfying snacks. They are powerful cancer-fighting foods that deserve a spot in your diet. So, how do nuts help prevent and fight cancer? Well, it is all about their unique blend of nutrients. Nuts are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein, a combination that helps keep blood sugar levels stable and prevents cancer cells from thriving. But that is not all. Nuts are also packed with antioxidants, which protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Take walnuts, for example. These tasty nuts contain a specific type of antioxidant called gamma-tocopherol, which has been linked to a reduced risk of breast cancer. According to the American Institute of Cancer Research, eating 1 ounce of nuts daily can drastically lower your risk of developing cancer by 15%, which is a lot if you ask me. One of the reasons is that the antioxidants in nuts, such as vitamin E and selenium, help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to cancer development. Meanwhile, the phytochemicals in nuts, like flavonoids and phenolic acids, have been shown to have anti-proliferative and anti-inflammatory effects, making it harder for cancer cells to grow and spread. One of the main components of nuts is omega-3 fatty acids, which are found abundantly in nuts like walnuts and have shown promising results in the prevention and fight against cancer. The primary mechanism by which omega-3s help prevent cancer is through their anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation has been linked to the development of various types of cancer, and reducing inflammation is a key strategy in cancer prevention. Omega-3s can convert to anti-inflammatory compounds called resolvins and protectins, which help reduce inflammation in the body. But that is not all. Omega-3 fatty acids also have the remarkable ability to inhibit cancer cell growth. They can activate specific proteins called PPARs, peroxisome proliferator activated receptors, which are known to suppress the growth of cancer cells and promote cell death. Another potent food on Dr. Barbara's list of cancer-fighting foods is the versatile leafy green.
Dark green leafy vegetables are also alkaline forming. Dark green leafy vegetables we should be eating every day. That's your kale, that's your parsley, collard greens, spinach and silver beet, kale, green barley or super greens.
Leafy greens are very nutritious with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They include foods like kale, parsley, collard greens, and spinach. These greens support regular bowel movements, which can reduce the risk of constipation and diverticulitis, two conditions that have been linked to a higher risk of colorectal cancer. But that is not all. Leafy greens are also rich in antioxidants, such as vitamins C and E, and beta-carotene, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of cancer. Leafy greens like kale are also rich in compounds called glucosinolates, which have been shown to suppress the growth of cancer cells. Here is another fun fact. Kale contains a flavonoid called kaempferol, which has been linked to a lower risk of cancer and other chronic diseases. Besides kale, parsley is another herb that deserves more than just a spot as a garnish on your plate. Parsley is super rich in a compound called apigenin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It also contains myristicin, a compound known for its anti-cancer effects. Next up are collard greens. These robust leaves are packed with antioxidants such as quercetin and beta-carotene, which help protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation. Additionally, collard greens contain glucoraphanin, a compound that aids the body's detoxification processes and helps eliminate potential carcinogens. Another leafy green to consider is spinach. It is an excellent source of alpha-lipoic acid, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation and inhibits cancer cell growth. Spinach also provides high levels of folate, a B vitamin essential for maintaining healthy cell division. Now that you are aware of the 5 cancer-fighting foods Big Pharma does not want you to know about, make sure you take advantage of this newly found knowledge by incorporating at least one of them into your diet every day. For those with underlying health issues or on medications, ensure you consult your health provider to know how much of these foods are safe for you to consume. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Also, share it with others so they can benefit from it. Take care and see you in the next video.